Hi everyone, my name is Avi. I'm a crochet artist, and on today's video I'll be showing you how to create this gorgeous flower top. It's perfect for summer. It's easier, simple, and also super fast to create, so stay tuned for step-by-step instructions. And also, please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, and also leave a comment down below. Enjoy. So for this project I'll be using this pink yarn, my 3.5 mm hook, my pair of scissors, and a tape measure. I also need a darning needle. So to start, I'll chain a length of 26 inches. That's a length of for my bust area. So chain. This is for a small size. You can go ahead and chain while measuring yours. So I will chain a length of 26 inches. So I have my 26 inches. The next step I'll do is I'll be working a lemon peel. The pattern for this top will be a lemon peel stitch, and that will be a double crochet on the first chain, and then a single crochet on the second chain. So interchange, a double crochet, and then on the next chain a single crochet. So to finish off the row, I will place a double crochet and then chain one, turn my work, and work with a single crochet. So remember, when at the end of your row, when you finish with the like here double crochet, start with a single crochet, or when you finish with the single crochet, start with a double crochet, like interchange. So continue with the double crochet and then single crochet, and so on and so on. Double and then single crochet. Done with the top, and I did a length of 8 inches. So what I'll do next is I will fold my work like this and join the two sides together with the slip, together with single crochets. So I'll go on with my single crochets and join it together, so like so. Just proceed with single crochets, and I won't crochet until the end. Here I'll just leave a small space for a small space for an adjustment when you're putting it on, because if I crochet until the end, it's going to be hard to put it on, especially if you have a bigger bust. So I'll leave a space for an adjustment, like easier for you to wear. So I've already cut my yarn. I will make a slip stitch and place a knot just to tighten to secure the end, and then weave this in, weave it in like so, and then turn my work on the other side. And the next thing I'll do is I'll make a drawstring. This is how it looks at the back. I'll make a draw, and for a drawstring I will make a knot, and then I will yarn over on this side and yarn over on top, then pull through just like that. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And this is what I have long enough, so I will just insert it at any point like so, and then pull through. Also insert it at any point like a bit further like here, and then pull through, then crisscross it, and then pull through, crisscross it like so until the end here. So now the next step after this is I will be crocheting, I will be making a rose flower, and for a rose flower I will chain 90 and then add 6 more, so in total, okay, I'll chain 90, after chaining 90 I will add 6 more, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then yarn over and come back here at your 90, chain, and then make a double crochet, and then chain 1 and go back with a double crochet on the same stitch. So we'll be making a V stitch, so then chain 1, count 2, on the third chain here place a double crochet, and then chain 1, and then on the same stitch place another double crochet. So we'll be making a V stitch, so chain 1, count 2 on the third, skip 2 on the third chain, place a double crochet, and then chain 1 and place another double crochet on the same stitch. Now at the end I will chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then yarn over, turn my work and go back with V stitch, another second row of V stitch. So chain 1, and then on this space here place a double crochet, and then chain 1, place another double crochet on that space. So chain 1 and work on these spaces with 2 double crochets with a chain in between. So chain 1 and then another double crochet. So the next step, I'll chain 1 and then work 7 double crochets on the space. So the first, the second double crochet, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, on the same space, on the V space, and then I will make a slip knot here, make a slip knot, and then work 7 more on this other space here. So go on with your 7 double crochets on each and every V stitch here, and then in the middle here make a slip knot, and then here 7 double crochets, slip knots, 7 double crochets. After I'm done, I'll just make a slip knot and tighten it, and then this is how it looks like. So I'll roll my work from this side, not this clean side, the inside side, if it makes sense. So I'll just roll my work like this, roll it until the end of the row, turn my work. I will use my normal needle and then sew it. So I'll just go like in and out the rows like that, no formula, just sew it like that. I'm done sewing, so the last step is I'll be making the leaves. I did already before, something like this. I hope you can see. So I'll take my green yarn, and then chain 12, chain 12. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and then after chaining 12 I'll make a slip stitch, 2 slip stitch. So the first one, the second slip stitch, and then I'll make 2 single crochet, the first single crochet, the second, I hope you can see, the second single crochet, and then I'll make 3 half double crochet. So the first half double crochet, so the first half double crochet, the second half double crochet, and then I'll make 2 double crochets. So the first double crochet, the second double crochet, don't mind my sweaty palm, it's hot here, and then I'll make 2 treble. So the first, yarn over twice, and then pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over twice, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then the last one here I'll just place a half double crochet. So it's 2 2. Start with 2 slip stitch, 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 2 trebles. So the next thing I'll do, I will yarn over and work another half double crochet on the other side, and then work 2 trebles. So we are basically repeating the same process we did, but vice versa. So 2, yarn over twice, and then place, do a treble, and then do a double crochet, 2 double crochets, first one, the second double crochet, and then do half double crochet, first half double crochet, second half double crochet, and then do 2 single crochet, first single crochet, second single crochet, and the last one do 2 slip stitch. So the first slip stitch, and then the second slip stitch. So I'll cut my yarn, and then make a slip knot, pull through tight, and then I'll tuck this in on the other end. So for one rose you need 3 leaves. Yeah, just 3 it's okay. So for one rose you need 3 leaves. So I already have 2 more. There's the other one. I have my 3 leaves here and my rose. So I'll just sew it like so. I'll arrange them like so, and then sew it. So when you turn, it will be something like, you see, something like this. Yeah, something like this. So just go ahead and sew it and join it, sew them together with the sew them on this rows. Yeah, step will be just sewing it in and out on this tube top, and that will be it for the top. For the tutorial, just go in and out with your needle and your yarn. Thanks for watching, guys, and that's how it looks like, the finishing. Yeah, thanks for watching, and see you on my next DIY project.